It comes with a filter, a little back panel. Goes right on. Well, let's get the filter here. And the back panel on. It comes already assembled in the box. A hard on-off switch and a safety switch in case it gets knocked over, which works. And then it's got the on-off mode for high heat, medium, or I guess just two modes of heat, high and low, swing. Oh, excuse me, and the mode also has cooling only, so the fan by itself, no heat. So turn it on, and it automatically goes on high. Hit the mode once, and it goes on low heat. Hit the mode again, and it goes on fan, which only has one speed. It goes back to high heat, medium heat, and then this is the swing function. And it's very good heat for low. Then if you tip it, it turns off and does not turn back on until you push the on button, which automatically goes back to high, and then you push the button again and it turns off, but it runs the fan a little bit longer, assuming to I guess get the rest of the heat out of there, cool it down a little bit, and that's about it. It goes off, I don't know, maybe 30 more seconds, so I don't want to wait all that. Well, there it is, not 30 seconds. Thanks.